Good morning, this is Lindsay from Living Funky Limited. We're just over on this large refurb we're doing for a client in Crystal Palace. Just wanted to give you a quick update on our progress. So I'm going to flip the camera around and show you what we're doing. So I'm just going into the property from the back. There's the decorator whitewashing the area that's all been freshly skinned. There's Ben, our kitchen fitter.
Hello.
Hey Ben. Lee, the electrician, making some alterations. So here's the kitchen. There used to be a huge wall there. We've retained the original cornice. Put that wall down, and there's quite large steels in there underground above it. All the perfect electrics are done, and the kitchen's going in. So what I'm going to do now is just go into the dark hallway and pop upstairs and very quickly show you the bedroom that's finished, and then the second bedroom we're just about to start. So, okay, here we are. This is the lovely bedroom that's finished. And now we go through to the second bedroom. So in here we have Mark the plasterer preparing it for plastering. Hey Mark. Dangerous electrics again in the skirting board. All the old skirting off, radiators are coming off. Old skirting gone, new stuff's going to go on. This whole room is going to be completely skinned. We've built a new wardrobe, bespoke, internals are amazing. There's Fran, the latest addition to our team. All right, Fran?
Yeah, I'm alright, you alright?
Good. Okay, so gonna go downstairs and just yeah, that's it. So this refurb's been fantastic, fantastic positive clients, excellent communication, great feedback, and what's happening because of the excellent communication, it's going to be an excellent job, and I am so looking forward to finishing this one. 2 bedrooms are done, the knockdown dining room, kitchen will be installed probably by the end of next week, finished, following week floor down, sign off. This has been an amazing experience on this job. I've loved this job so much because of the communication's been A1 superb. Alright, so that's me here, Living Funky in Crystal Palace, signing off. Thank you very much, and have a great day.